Hey guys, so we're at Como Park, almost finished setting up here. Just got a few more things and then we'll be done for the day. Maybe we can go and hang out at Hmong Village or something like that. I got David Ying. David! Say hi to the camera. He's hiding back there. Yeah, it's gonna be fun. Hopefully we see the rest of the group come by later. Hey guys, second day here at the tournament. We got Johnny behind me there. And Yellow Diamond Records is back there setting up too. Hope to see you guys all. Please stop by, get some hugs, take some pictures, and get an album, okay? See you guys. Say hi, Cody.
Hi
everybody. We're exhausted today.
Aren't you hot?
No, I'm cold. I'm actually really cold.
Really? I'm burning.
Yeah.
Burning in this.
And we're tired.
We're very tired. I came here so late. 10 o'clock.
So did they.
Yeah. Last day, everyone. Come on, come through.
Come have fun. See y'all.
Voices got it. Woo! Come on, here we go. Saturday night we in the spot. Don't believe it, just watch. Oh! Don't believe it, just watch. Woo!
Hey guys, it's the end of J4. I had an amazing time here. I met lots of new people, saw a lot of old faces, met a lot of fans, signed a lot of CDs and stuff, sold a lot of CDs. I'm so happy and thankful. Thank you to everybody who stopped by to say hi, get hugs, take pictures, and to buy a CD. I appreciate all the support that I've got. It's getting dark out now. It's time for us to leave. We're gonna start packing